preventing sun aging. Dermatologists will tell anyone who will listen that sunlight is the primary cause of undesirable skin changes in people over the age of 40. Characteristic age changes are wrinkles, leathery skin, crease lines, loose facial skin, blotchiness, and yellowing with pebbly skin texture. These age-related changes usually reduce self-consciousness and cause people to feel old. Fortunately, there is a very effective and convenient home skincare remedy. Everyone's skin naturally changes with age. Less sweating and increased healing time are part of the norm. You certainly can delay these changes by staying out of the sun. However, if you have already damaged your skin and have age-related wrinkles and dry skin, there is some good news. Nothing will completely negate sun damage. However, there is excellent evidence to support that aged and dry skin will greatly repair itself if treated properly. You can get help from REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion, which exfoliates dead skin cells, speeds up the skin cell renewal process, unblocks pores, as well as conditions your facial skin with many beneficial ingredients. REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion is the best natural way to reduce wrinkles, age spots, and scarring. REFRESHEN used once a day, followed by REFRESHEN Super Premium Moisturizer and Eye Serum twice daily, will deliver awesome results you can see and feel. It is not subtle. Sunlight and your skin, the good and the bad and the ugly truth. If there was ever an example of a tumultuous relationship, then it is the relationship that exists between the sun and people. Life on Earth is dependent on the sun. However, there are negative effects to your skin associated with sunlight. Sunlight is beneficial for our well-being. Sunlight is known to help in the production of vitamin D, essential for our bone health and aids in absorbing calcium. Sunny days are known to boost our energy and elevate our moods. People living in areas of prolonged darkness, such as the Scandinavia, are more prone to depression. This condition is known as seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, a form of depression triggered by a significant lack of sunlight over time. Sunlight is also known to positively affect and influence our sleeping patterns. However, there are adverse effects of too much sunlight, particularly for our skin. Too much sunlight damages our skin with ultraviolet rays or UV radiation. People with fairer skin which lack melanin are known to be at a greater risk of sun damage, as are all people over the age of 40. Too much exposure to the sun accelerates undesirable skin changes. The best cure for sun aging is prevention. Stay out of the sun as much as possible. Use SPF 30 or higher every 2 hours when you're outdoors, and perform regular daily REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion treatments. Exfoliation promotes skin cell regeneration and growth and causes your skin to be more supple and refreshed. You will see the difference. It is not subtle. Note, never exfoliate over skin that has existing dermatological disease, like rosacea or eczema.